My typical day at High Point's pretty busy.
No one told me life was gonna be this way.
It's a lot of excitement in different parts of my life.
This wonderful human being. Hello, this is Emma. My vocal coach, Melanie Crump. She's a fantastic coach. Yo, Teddy, what's up, man?
I usually wake up at about 7:30 a.m.
Captain's log. Going to get some water at the kiosk. It's my favorite place to go in the morning, get some snacks. Oop. Got it, fam.
I'll usually go to class at about 9:45. It's my senior production class, so I'll be working on my project for electronic media. From there, I'll usually go over my notes from last night's rehearsal. Right now I'm in the production of Cabaret. And then from there, I'll usually go to my second class of the day, Global Studies. Occasionally I'll grab lunch in Farmer's Market. Sometimes I'll go over to Slane at about 2:30, 2:45, shoot some basketball, get some bikes out from Slane and start riding around campus. So in the evenings, I get food with some friends.
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
That's Jared. Hi, Jared. Bunch of theater people, well dressed for the caf. This is where we eat before rehearsal.
Then at about 5 o'clock, I'll go to Takata Tone's rehearsal. And then at about 6:30, I'll head to rehearsal for Cabaret.
Going to rehearsal, got cookies, we're feeling good, feeling excited. Rachel, how you doing?
At the end of a typical day at High Point, I feel pretty exhausted just because, there's so much stuff to do all day, but it also just gives me a lot of different areas in my life to be able to push towards and make better. So I feel like I've gotten everything that I needed to, it's all done, and now I can finally rest and prepare and get ready for tomorrow.